This is a garden update. This is my hop plant, been growing here. This is year 8 now. We're going to let this one go wild. Usually go with 2 bines going up the strings, but this year we're going to let it go wild and see what happens. I got so many hops, it's ridiculous. So we'll let this one go wild and see what happens. Here's a row of plum tomatoes the wife has put in. I think we got 12 or 13 here. They're doing really good. So we grew 52 of them. We started them out in the garage on February 22nd. We started them in the garage. The grapes are doing good. Here's 2 vines. One coming up. Vines. They're budding like crazy. These are, Concord grapeless.
Concord grapeless.
Or grapeless. Grapeless, how you doing? Concord seedless. They're budding really nice for this May 8th, or May 11th it is. So this hop plant is starting to come up here. We might let this one run wild too, we'll see. The rest of the garden here, we're nowhere near ready digging. We definitely got some horseradish coming up. Some mint. We got to get this one cleaned out because it's in dire straits. But the snowball bush coming in beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hasn't turned white yet, but it's going to be there pretty soon. Let's go see what we got going on over here. Some more grapes. And more tomatoes. Tomatoes in buckets. And we got some flowers coming out on them. According to the wife, I saw some flowers, she said. I don't see it now. Oh, I do, right there. There's a flower on that one. This is May 11th. We started these in the garage on the 22nd of February. We got beefsteaks. We have celebrity tomatoes. And in the back there we are the plum tomatoes mainly. And we got to put some more in yet. We got more tomatoes to go on the deck there, about 15 more plants. Zucchini. Or this is cucumber. And this one will be zucchini. We'll make a trellis like this one and let it grow up there. So that's it. Over there we've got some chives. Tons of chives. So that's about it. Got the pool open and it's cleaning on its own. We got the bug running in there and the automatic cleaner. But we got so many tomatoes. A lot of sauce this year and salsa. Why wouldn't there be?